Welcome to Appalachian Bonsai. I'm here sifting soils in preparation for spring. Anyway, I've got some video to show you from last summer. Some friends of mine over at RAGGEDedge Gear and my wife and myself went out on one of our local lakes. And we had a lot of fun being out on the water on a good summer's day, but we also got to look at some trees. And I hope you enjoy this footage. Thanks for watching.
Our local reservoir has many rock faces where only the strongest trees can survive. This lake and the surrounding property are owned by the government, so I'm not allowed to collect anything. But it's always fun to take a look. Life finds its way into small cracks into the rock. The limited resources and the exposure to severe weather create gnarled deadwood and twisted trunks. These are some of the interesting features that we try to replicate in bonsai. They help give the illusion of age and of a life hard lived. Let's take a closer look. This is an eastern red cedar, and it's growing in a large crack. The front is all dead wood because the living tissue had nowhere else to grow except sideways. The size of this tree and the lack of low branches along the trunk makes this specimen unsuitable for most people to use in bonsai. And collecting this tree would require extensive time and tools to pry it from the rock. It's still an impressive tree. Here's another red cedar growing from the rock. The small size makes this one easy to collect and transport if you are able. The little pile of needles and debris at the base can help provide nutrients and moisture over time. We can remove it to see what the base looks like and of our ability to collect.
Yeah. That's incredible. It's got this beautiful twist that comes up the side of it. I don't know if y'all can see that down here, or from down there, but it just twists all the way down. It's really amazing.
Let me introduce you to my friends at RAGGEDedge.
Alright.
A little hotter, put it in park down by the water. Bonfire dancing, howling at the moon. We're gonna turn it up, get a little louder, swaying in the wind like a wildflower. When I'm with you, it don't matter where we are, out underneath the country stars.
This is not a paid sponsor. Mud, Hank, and Suze have been my friends for many years. Go to the website at RAGGEDedgeGear.com and get the latest in carbon fiber and Kevlar sailcloth goods. Order from their stock list or create your own custom piece. They are America's craft gear company, so visit RAGGEDedgeGear.com now and give them some love. More information in the description below.
Just want to give a big thanks to RAGGEDedge for taking us out on the lake today. Like and subscribe because there's more to come. Thanks for watching.